Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got a fun Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making some glam home decor. So we're going to be making a pair of these geometric shaped pillar candle holders. And so we're going to be, of course, doing them in a glam style. So what you'll need is a couple of these, either vases. I'm not sure if Dollar Tree considers these a vase or if they consider them candle holders. But anyway, you'll need a pair of them, or a pair of different shapes, something that you would like to use. And then you're going to need a pair of these bud vases here. I have got some iridescent glitter and then some silver glitter. Got some hot glue. I have both Mod Podge and some silver craft paint. A paintbrush. And I've got some diamond wrap and also some peel and stick gemstones. And these are the items that you're going to need in order to get this project completed. So let's get started. Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to do is just start painting out these vases here. And this will take at least 2 coats of paint, so just be prepared for that. Okay, so now that I'm waiting on the other portions of the painted pieces to dry, I'm going to go ahead and get started on these glass pieces as well, these glass globe pieces as well. And in this little container here, I've got just a little drop of the silver craft paint, and then I'm going to add a little bit of Mod Podge to this, just to kind of give the paint a little bit of translucency, because really what I'm wanting is just a very thin layer of paint. And I'm going to do 2 very thin coats of this. And when I'm doing the second coat, I'm going to go ahead and start applying some of the iridescent and silver glitter to this so that it adheres. Isn't that beautiful? Now that the glitter and Mod Podge mixed with the silver paint have dried, I'm going to go ahead and finish this by sealing this in with a top coat of the same Mod Podge, just to prevent any fallout from the glitter. This is a step you do not want to skip, or you're going to just have a mess on your hands. So you definitely want to go ahead and do this step. So now it's all nice and dry. Isn't that gorgeous? And so you can always add more glitter if you want a more of a glittered look. And now I'm just going to get started adding some gemstones around the top of here. And I'm just adding gemstones to this now. Just some larger gemstones, just kind of adding some here. I'm going to be putting some diamond wrap around the top of this, just like this. I'm just going to run a little bead of hot glue right along the top. Now I'm just going to glue this globe onto the top of this. I'm just going to start by putting just a bead of hot glue at the top. And then just centering it on there. Aren't those beautiful? Now let's decorate with them. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.